In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock an email address on Zoho Mail in 2025. Whether you find yourself missing important emails or realize someone's been mistakenly blocked, being able to undo this is crucial for maintaining smooth communication. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to make sure those necessary emails get through. Our journey begins at the Zoho website. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Zoho by typing in their URL. This is the hub for all Zoho's cloud software services, which includes their mail platform. Once you arrive at Zoho's website, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page where you will see the Sign In option. Give that button a click, and if you haven't already, log in with your Zoho account credentials. If you encounter any trouble logging in, double-check your password or use Zoho's account recovery options to get back on track. After successfully signing in, navigate to Zoho Home. This acts as your central dashboard for accessing Zoho's various services. Here you will see different apps that Zoho offers, but for today, we'll focus on Zoho Mail. Click on Zoho Mail to be sent to the Mail Services homepage. This is where you handle your emails daily, and soon you'll be managing your email settings as well. Now, look for the Settings icon. It usually looks like a gear and can typically be found in the upper right section of the Mail page. Clicking here will open up a drop-down menu or a side panel with different configuration options. What we need next is under Anti-Spam. Selecting this will guide you to Zoho's Anti-Spam settings page, a critical feature where you can control who makes it to your inbox and who doesn't. Once you are in the Anti-Spam section, it's time to zero in on your email allowances. Find and click on Allowed List, Blocked List. This is where the magic happens. In this area, you can see all the email addresses currently blocked or allowed. To unblock an email, simply locate the email address that has been mistakenly added to the blocked list. Click on it, and you should see an option or a button to unblock it. Voila! The email is now unblocked. Keep in mind, managing your allowed and blocked lists is a powerful way to ensure you don't miss out on anything important, while also keeping unwanted emails at bay. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully navigated Zoho Mail settings to ensure a smoother emailing experience. Enjoy uninterrupted communication with those essential email contacts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.